Alright, so I just thought I'd make this video on this CenturyLink modem router combo. It's a C1100Z. This repair method also works for the C1100T. And this is something I discovered that works really well for these things. Apparently they have a habit of frying themselves. So, first thing we want to do is take out these 3 screws here. So, it's only 3, and then there's some plastic clips inside. So, start by taking out the screws. Usually this one's first. Alright, that one's out. Now, alright, so now that we have that out of the way, gonna grab our little drill here. Want to make sure those go all the way through. See that there? That's what we want. That's going to help with airflow, because these things overheat and they cook themselves. So that is how you repair these CenturyLink modems.